You will have the keys of hell and of death, as you have the keys of heaven and eternal life. The key is choice. At the next stage of evolution, life is a constant choice. If you falter in your choice to live as a son of God, you are disconnected from the force. At the Christ stage of existence, you cannot forget who you are and live. You will no longer be sustained by an autonomic nervous system and organic functions of which your conscious mind is perfectly ignorant. You will not be ignorant of anything. You will all be conscious. Every cell in your new body will be consciously communicating to you. You will be in charge of your body consciously, maintaining it, discarding it, or evolving it into new forms to meet new environments beyond planet Earth. All will be chosen. All will be willed by the joint will of you and your Father as one. Amen.